Here we have a 2011 Mercedes Sprinter flatbed truck. It's come direct from a scaffolding company, and the length of the body is 16.5 foot, which is a very rare length in terms of the body. Normally you get 14, 15 foot, it's got 16.5. It's ideal for another scaffolding company or anybody moving very large objects. As you can see, back of the van, the body is in really good condition. It's had these sides added, I guess just some extra security, and you can secure your load onto the back. The van is automatic, so that's another great feature of the van. It drives superbly all through the gears. Yeah, if you were to come and drive the van, you wouldn't be disappointed in any way. HPI clear, there's no VAT to pay on the van. Another really good benefit of buying this particular model is there is no VAT to pay. Look at the length of the body, 16.5 foot in length. The chassis is also 16.5 foot, so the body matches the actual chassis length. Bodywork overall is really clean. Okay, there are a few small number of marks, like the ones down here, some shallow scratches, some of which will probably polish off. But overall, as you can see, especially the cab itself, it's not battered like a lot of Sprinter vans are. It's in a good condition. Also, another thing is there's no rust on any of the arches. Now I'll show you inside. Again, really clean. It's been looked after. No seat wear, which is common on these vans. There's the automatic gearbox. The van comes with 2 keys. You've got a 1-year MOT.
Barrett, we believe wellness should be affordable.
There's no untoward lights on the dashboard. Obviously you're on very low fuel, but no bad lights. Drives and revs through the superbly. As you can see, high revs. There's no smoke. I'll just quickly pop it into reverse. See it switching up now. Neutral, drive, and you can also, if you're going up a hill, you can flick up and down the gears. So as well as being fully automatic, you do have the semi-manual, semi-automatic, however you look at it, but capability. So there we go. Radio works perfectly. Heater blower works perfectly. Yeah, everything works on the van. Electric windows, both sides. Again, works fine. Steering, it's nice and smooth. There's no clunks. We've got cruise control, again, which if I set it, you'll see it come on now. There you go. Cruise control works fine. It's a really tidy van. There's no chips in the windscreen. This here is just a bit of dirt, which we'll get it cleaned off for you for the sale. We'll also quickly show you in the engine bay, because if you know a bit about engines, you'll understand that it's in really good condition. The van has no DPF problems, which is really common on these Sprinters. So, here's the engine bay. As you can see, turbo, which I believe is down here, nice and clean. It's not covered in oil. Going to the DPF again. plenty of water in, and if I just turn it on a second, here, as I'm sure if you do know about vehicles, engine sounds very good to me. There is a 1-year warranty on this vehicle, so we do have a warranty for 1 year. Due to the mileage, there is only a claim limit per claim of £250. However, that can carry on up to the value of the vehicle. So there is a £250 claim limit. What it means is that we will contribute £250 towards any repair that happens in the next year. No VAT to pay on the van. You've got a 1-year warranty, 1-year MOT, 16.5 foot in length, really long body. If you do have any more questions about this truck, then feel free to get in contact with us, and we will be able to get in contact with you as quick as possible. It's not going to stay around long with this length, as it is very rare. So yeah, our office number is 01753 267 270 if you have any more questions. Thanks a lot for your time, and we hope to come and see you and you can have a test drive. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.